Good day everyone, it's me again, your Ahente Next Door, and today we will feature this 3-story townhouse for sale here at Vista Rosa, San Francisco. So this property is just 3 minutes away from Southwoods Mall and Southwoods SLEX exit. As you can see, tabing kalsada lang po tayo. Yung mga papunta sa left side, papunta silang Southwoods, and yung namang going to the right side ay papunta ng National Highway. So check natin yung unit. So this is a 3-story townhouse. Lot area mo is 50 square meters and floor area ranging from 109 to 117 square meters. Yan. On the ground floor, you have one vehicle carport that can fit a van, an SUV. And dito naman, sa left side, you have this pocket garden. Yan. And then, on your main entrance is your foyer. Dito pwede ka maglagay ng shoe rack or sabitan ng payong. And then, just ahead is your living and dining area. So by the way guys, this is complete finish upon turnover. So kung ano yung mga makikita nyo ngayon, this will be the same thing na ito turnover sa inyo in the future. But itong part na to, ng hagdan natin, ginagawa pa siya. So in the future magkaka-tiles yan. And then dito naman, under the stairs is an ample storage na pwede nyo gamitin. Maglagay kayo ng storage cabinets. It's up to you paano mo sila i-maximize. And then dito naman, yung kitchen mo. It is also equipped with this countertop, your sink, and this kitchen cabinets. On the left side, you have your common toilet and bath. Then dito sa likod, you still have an ample space for your service and laundry area equipped with socket para sa washing machine. May drainage na rin and open yan hanggang taas. So pwede mo rin gawing sampayan. So pasukin natin hanggang sa second floor. By the way guys, kung papapansin nyo, malalaki yung mga bintana natin. So yung pasok ng natural light and ventilation ay maganda. Then again, ito, part na to ng ating stairs ay nilalagyan pa rin ng tiles. But the turnover is complete already. You have this tiles and the wide staircase. So medyo iba yung layout nitong Vista Rosa San Francisco. Kung sanay kayong tumira sa condo, you will appreciate this one. So this is the second level. It's actually designed for an office area, study area, yan. And then, yung second floor, mag-start pa talaga siya dito. Yan. Parang yung part na yon, loft area lang siya. And then, on the second floor, you have this bedroom number 1. And then, bedroom number 2. You can use this as your master's bedroom kasi meron siyang view ng pasad ng bahay and then meron din siyang access sa balcony. Yes, may balcony ka sa second floor. Puntahan naman natin yung third level. Again, you have your loft area here na pwede mong gawing bedroom. Yan. And your second toilet and bath. Very spacious. Napaka ganda ng pagka-layout nila dito. Later, I will show you the dress-up model. Mas ma-appreciate nyo siya kapag may mga gamit na. And on the last level is your entertainment area. Pwede mo rin itong gawing bedroom. It's up to you how you will use it kasi malaki siya. And mataas din yung ceiling. With an access, of course, to the roof deck. Yes, meron po tayong roof deck dito where you can enjoy your time with your family. Yan yung view. It's a very spacious roof deck. Pwede ka ditong maglagay ng grill o kaya naman dito kayo maglagay ng video, entertainment showcase and everything. But that's just the glimpse of it. I'm gonna show you now the dress up unit. So puntahan natin yung kabila. Yan. So the next thing that we're going to check, of course, is the dressed up unit. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea how you will utilize the space once ma-turn over na sa inyo yung house. Again, you have your one vehicle carport right here and your garden on the left side. Pasukin natin. Yan. So this is your foyer and your living and dining area. Ayan. So mas utilized na yung space. As you can see, you have your couch right here, your entertainment appliances right here, and yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa hagdan kanina, ginawa nila ng storage room. And of course, your dining table on this side. And here is the kitchen. Kung kayo ay sanay na tumira sa condo o kaya sa mga apartment buildings, you will appreciate this one. Because the space is really maximized and well designed. Ayan yung toilet and bath natin. Your kitchen, dito naglagay na sila ng overhead cabinets which you can do as well. And then yung space kanina, here is for the refrigerator. Again, you still have this space at the back para sa laundry and service area mo. So, ayan. Another glimpse. Gumaganda talaga once nilalagyan na ng gamit yung isang bahay. Yan. Katin naman natin yung second floor. So ito yung loft area kanina, the second level. Here you have the study area. Diba? Napakaganda ng layout. And then, right here is your home office. Kung kayo ay nag-work from home, o kaya naman minsan lang kayo mag-report sa opisina, this is a very ideal working space for you na pwede nyong i-maximize. And here on the second floor, the third level, you have your bedroom number 1. Kung kayo may toddler, you can copy the layout of this. Kung kayo naman ay walang kasama bata sa bahay, you can turn it into a regular bedroom. And here's the master's bedroom. Dito naglagay sila ng wardrobe. And then, here is your balcony. Very spacious balcony where you can put your air conditioning unit. O kaya naman, you can still use it for your morning coffee kasi malawak naman siya. Yan, sarado lang natin. And then, this is the second loft, the fourth level. You have your bedroom number 3. Kung meron kayong teenager sa bahay, they will love this space. And then, your second toilet and bath. And last but not the least, wait a moment. Let's appreciate this artwork on the wall first and this beautiful chandelier. Diba? Ang ganda. Pwede nyo itong gayahin. If you have family pictures, you can put it right there. And here, instead na gawing bedroom, ginawa nila tong entertainment area. Syempre, you want to enjoy your time with your family, especially during weekends, after long week. of hustle and work. And of course, your roof deck. You can enjoy your morning tea. O kaya naman kung mahilig kayong gumimik, magandang gawin yan dito sa taas. Barbecue, grill, and more. So yan, yung mga nakikita nyo sakyan, yung papunta sa left side, ay going to Southwoods and Southwoods SLEX exit. While yung papunta naman sa right side, yan naman yung papunta sa National Highway. So kung kayo ay interesado, I'm gonna post the sample computation on the caption and let's schedule your visit here at Vista Rosa at San Francisco. Again, this is Joe Armenta, your agente next door. See you again on the next video.